tutorial to be short as possible. Okay, let's go back to C sharp. Okay, first C sharp. Okay, I'm gonna play a song, then get to transpose while, then transpose and see. That's it. Okay. Oh bayet enkosi yami, oh bayet enkosi yami. Yeah, no, I'm wrong. Oh bayet. That's it. My transpose, my key is low. I can't sing high notes. Okay. That's it. Okay, now. Okay, let's play a song. You need to now you know how you hear transpose if you are still a learner. But for us, we can get to transpose without someone finishing the first line. See, that's it. Okay, let's play this song. When you are learning transpose, you need to have sets of songs, different songs. Listen, try to get a key for each song using using the key that you play with. Treat this as 0. You see, okay. That part is in lava la corner. Okay, here this is the transpose. This is the key of this song, of which is like in the original key of the song, using from C sharp, D sharp, E flat, okay, F, E, F, C. Okay, so the original key of this song is E flat or D sharp. See, the original key of this song. This is the original key that will forever be. It's not the transposing number. It's the original key of this song. See, it's D flat. It's D sharp or E flat. That's it, guys. Okay, when I'm starting from 0, I'm using, let's say you are using C sharp like me, these were 0, 1, 2. So when you're transposing, you are going to say 1, 2, then you can start playing. Now according to the keyboard, you are playing in E flat or D sharp, you see, but you are playing according to the keys, you are playing in C sharp. You see, you just transpose the keys. That's what it means. It's transposing. See, then when you practice, it's easy to practice with the original key of the song. Sorry, do you get me, guys? That's it.